Alrighty then, so this is the manipulatives practice number 3, and in this practice we had to use base 10 blocks to show how you would solve 184 plus 98. And so this is how I started the problem off. I have a representation of 100 values, I have a representation of 80 values, and then I have a representation of 4 values for 184 plus the value of 90 values and then 8 values. And so as you can see, each value is separated into different colors and different kinds of tiles. And so in order to solve this, I decided to regroup by commonality. And so I knew that the 100 value would stay as is because we are adding. And then what I decided to do was I was going to take each one of the 10 by 1 or 1 by 10 blocks, and then I would organize them into stacks of 100 if their values came to 100. And so I decided to do that as well. And so we have two 100 values depicted by these two images. And then we have the remainder of the 10 by 1 blocks organized into a value of 70. And then the remaining 1 by 1 blocks have been organized into this first set of 10 and this remaining set of 2. And so what I ended up doing was that I combined each one of them and I changed the color of this so that it would represent 100. And then, based on the regrouping method that I used above, I was able to determine that there were two 100 value blocks. Then we had 80 value blocks, and then 2 value blocks. And so the answer that you would get of 184 plus 98, determined by this method of base 10 blocks, your answer would be 282.